All right, our next presenter today is Joshua Rice from the Department of Psychology, and the title of his presentation is Unlocking Potential with Curiosity, Findings from a Computer Game Study.
Imagine a child playing Fortnite, laser focused, locked in. They are experiencing curiosity. Curiosity is the desire to know, learn, and explore, which includes the spark of discovery and the itch and frustration of resolving gaps in understanding, thinking and emotion elements. Now, for the child playing Fortnite, every level throws them a new challenge. They experiment, adapt, and problem solve. Not because they have to, but because they want to. Now, imagine bringing that level of engagement to work, school, and life. But here's the problem. 85% of employees worldwide are disengaged at work, and 66% of U.S. high school students are bored every single day. That is a crisis of curiosity, and it's costing us big time. Less innovation for companies, untapped potential in students, and a joyless, monotonous daily grind. But what if we could fix that? What could curiosity do? To find out, I developed and validated a new self-report of curiosity that distinguishes important nuances not tapped by previous measures. These different aspects of curiosity vary and fluctuate in people across contexts, tasks, and activities. To create this, I adapted items from existing measures, closely following theory to ensure each item adds value. Then, I had hundreds of young adults come to our research lab to play a first-person shooter game called Unreal Tournament 2004, the predecessor for games like Halo and Fortnite. At first, they learned the map, figured out enemy patterns, and started racking up points. Then, plot twist, I modified the game to test how people handle uncertainty and challenge. I changed the map, increased enemy bot capabilities, and increased the number of opponents. In short, I made it a lot harder. And guess what? Curious players crushed it, especially those thinking about possible discoveries. They not only survived the changes, they thrived. And here's the key finding. My new measure of curiosity predicted performance better than previous measures of curiosity, and it predicted performance beyond what measures of general mental ability and personality could. These findings indicate that curiosity facilitates greater persistence during difficulty and highlights the importance of curiosity in learning contexts, such as education, training, and personal development. So how do we cultivate curiosity? Well, with the new measure I built, we can start finding out. Research suggests that curiosity starts when learners have gaps in knowledge, realize something's important, experience surprise, or feel emotions such as excitement for something. So, how might you feel like the child playing Fortnite? I have 3 suggestions. First, ask more questions. Curiosity starts the moment you wonder, what if, why, how? Second, seek out new experiences. Step outside your routine. Try something unfamiliar. Third, think about possibilities and focus on what gets you excited. So, here's my challenge for you. Ask more questions, try something new, and imagine what you will discover. Thank you.